How hot is it? Yeah, that's about right. We're in the dog days of summer, and when it gets this hot with so little rain, foundations become a concern. The clay soil in our area is prone to large volume changes with moisture, so when it gets too dry, large cracks appear, and you'll notice the soil pulling away from your home's foundation. The key to preventing this is consistent moisture levels in the soil. Newer homes may have built-in foundation irrigation, but if yours doesn't, then soaker hoses are your best option. They are inexpensive and work well. To get the most out of them, they should be placed 8 to 10 inches away from the foundation. Expect to run your hoses for 15 to 20 minutes per day, 3 to 5 days per week in peak summer heat. In drought conditions, you may need to water up to 45 minutes every day. After a few days, the soil will expand and meet up with the side of the foundation. Soaker hoses take longer to saturate the soil than sprinklers, but they use less water. Just be sure and don't overwater. If the ground is soft and muddy, it is being watered too much. Too much water is just as bad as not enough water.